What's going on, guys? Ben here, Enos Tech, and today just another quick one on the Be Quiet Straight Power 10 600 watt power supply. Now this power supply does feature an 80 plus gold rating, has some great cable management options as it is semi-modular. The only cable that's actually attached to it, which we'll look at in a minute, is the 24-pin CPU cable, and it comes equipped with one of the virtually inaudible Silent Wings fans. So as you can see here on the front of the box, it goes ahead and it pretty much just tells you everything I've said. We've got the 80 plus cable management Silent Wings, virtually inaudible 135 millimeter fans, Be Quiet logo up here, nice image of the power supply here where you can kind of see the cable here. It kind of looks like they tried to do a cheeky one to make sure you couldn't really see it that great, maybe give off the hint that it's fully modular. I don't think they did that on purpose, but it is definitely a bit harder to see that cable there if you don't know that you're looking for it. And then of course, as we can see on the power supply, which we'll take a look at in a minute, all the connectors there. Why don't we go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what they've left us here. Yeah, see what how they've done this. All right, first thing we're going to be greeted with is our manual, user manual. As you can see, the straight power does come in 5, 6, 7, and 800 watt models, which is great because everybody will obviously have different power supply requirements. Everything is in bubble wrap, as you will see. We have some cable ties and some screws here so you can get it installed and help with your cable management. We have a power cable here. Yes, I'm in the UK. Yes, this is an EU. It's just testing models. If you purchase this power supply in the UK, you will receive a UK plug, or if you're in America, Australia, wherever you are, you'll get the plug you need unless otherwise specified. Over on this side here are where all our cables are, which you can see they're nicely bundled up. Nice big they got the nice big braids on them, which is nice to see. They're quite nice, durable cables. There's plenty of them there, especially since how this is only a 600 watt power supply. There are more than enough cables there for everything that you will even be able to power off it. Probably a few extras there because that's just how they do. They go ahead and do it for the series, not just the actual wattage. Getting this bad boy out, and let's just have a quick look here. As you can see, it's nice and all black. We've got the 24-pin CPU power cable here, as mentioned. It's got a nice bar effect over the fan. I quite like how that looks. I know it's probably a bit hard to see in the video, but it's quite nice. You can kind of see there, protecting the fan, of course. As always, we have on one side all of the technical information if you're into that type of thing there. AC input, DC output, all that type of thing, max current and all that. We of course have the 80 plus and all the FCC and government logos that unfortunately companies are forced to put on electronic products. Oh, pardon me. Again, as mentioned, there are a number of modular cables that come here, so you can go ahead and hook up with different things. I know it's probably a bit hard to see here, but there they are. You can kind of see the writings on them. We of course have the 12 volt drive cables and 2 different PCIe cables can plug in here, so you can run multiple graphics cards as long as you don't require over a 600 watt power supply. I'm going to go ahead and end this one here as it is just a power supply. I will be doing a bit more of a written review on it, a written overview, so if you do want to know more about it, make sure to check back for that on enostech.com. I'll of course try to remember to put the link down in the description once that is live as well. As always, thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned in the future for more content.